But what does cocaine have to do with this? As mentioned previously, dopamine is an important chemical messenger with regards to functions including pleasure. The mesolimbic dopamine system is a set of structures that control and regulate how we feel pleasure. This is why it is termed the brain's reward pathway, and is stimulated by stimuli such as food, sex, and recreational drugs, including cocaine. When the pathway is activated, chemical signals are relayed between the synapses. Dopamine neurons release dopamine, which then travels across the synapse and binds with dopamine receptors on the surface of the receiving cell. This binding will cause proteins attached to the interior part of the receptor to carry signal onwards within the cell. Dopamine can re-enter the sending cell via dopamine transporters. When some type of reward is encountered, a large amount of dopamine is released in sudden bursts, which causes the person to feel pleasure. Dopamine transporter will work quickly to remove any excess dopamine. Drugs such as cocaine can hijack this process, leading to an unhealthy level of dopamine being released into the brain. Cocaine will attach to the dopamine transporter and block the normal recycling process of dopamine, resulting in a buildup at the synapse. This causes the high that users experience immediately after taking the drug, making them feel good. This explains why it is also so addictive. Cocaine has been shown to affect sympathetic function and can enhance the fight or flight response. Cocaine also blocks the norepinephrine reuptake, thereby increasing the norepinephrine concentration at the synaptic cleft. This can cause increased heart rate and blood pressure. Intranasal cocaine was also found to increase systemic arterial pressure. Because cocaine enhances the body's fight or flight response, it can cause an increase in metabolism, thereby increasing the body's temperature. This could even lead to heat stroke. Abuse of the drug can lead to life-threatening cardiovascular problems such as heart attack or heart disease.
Cocaine is not only illegal but a highly dangerous drug, not only to the abuser but to the people around them as well. Today we hope you learned a little about the dopamine receptors and how cocaine affects the body. For further reading, feel free to look at all the references included in this video.
Created using Powtoon.